Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you 3 recipes. Triple ingredients have been used in it. We start with making a dough which requires multigrain flour, carrot, radish and coriander leaves. First take a bowl and put 1 cup of atta in it and start mixing the ingredients one by one. The water of these grated vegetables have been squeezed out and kept in a separate bowl so that we can control the water content while making the dough. As you can see on the screen, we have arranged everything at hand, and we'll start by chopping green chilies and then putting up the spices. The spices which we'll be using is ajwain, kala jeera, jeera, red chili powder, chaat masala, garam masala, bhuna jeera and amchur powder and salt. Start mixing all the ingredients by hand and we need to make a dough out of it. Add a little ghee so that the dough becomes soft. Now we will add the juices of the vegetable which we had squeezed out earlier. Mix them well. If required, you can add water, but I think the amount of liquid which I am giving is sufficient. You can directly use grated vegetables in the flour, but in that case, you need to adjust the quantity of flour according to the liquid which is there in the vegetables. You need to make a semi-soft dough. Once the vessel is clean, you will know that the dough is ready. Keep it aside and let's start making the green chutney. For this we need to make a paste of coriander, garlic and green chili. Take it out in a bowl and add salt and lemon juice to it. Mix well and keep aside. Now we will start with the vegetable vinaigrette. For this take a bowl and add carrots, radish and cucumber, and then we'll be adding sushi vinegar to it and just mix it. You don't need to add any further salt or sugar because it will taste delicious just the way it is right now. Grated vegetables have been used and you need to soak them for about half an hour and keep it refrigerated. Now we'll start with the dough. Today I'll be showing you 2 ways of using this dough. One will make a roti and another will make a paratha. With the same dough, making roti and parathas will taste delicious. First we start with equally dividing the dough into balls. Out of the given quantity, we can make 6 balls out of it. Put dry flour and then we start rolling it. Roll it into a circle as thin as possible. Meanwhile, heat a griddle or flat tawa so that we can put the roti on it. After putting on the hot tawa, let it stay for around a minute and then you overturn it. Watch the further steps carefully. After cooking both sides, you put it on direct flame and you need to brown them a bit. Now the roti is ready. I will show you another one. Once there are brown dots on the roti on both sides, you will know that the roti is done. See how easy it is to prepare. Next I will show you how to make the paratha. The same way how you make the roti, we will continue the process after that. After rolling, add it on the hot tawa and turn it thrice, 1 minute interval, and then you add a little ghee on it. You can also add oil to it. Fry it on both sides. Applying ghee or oil enhances the flavor. It makes the paratha soft and crispy. Observe the color of the paratha. When it is little bit golden brown, it is done and you need to remove it from the tawa. Similarly, we'll make the next parathas. These grated vegetable roti and paratha are both delicious and looks tempting. Now for the plating, we are arranging chutney, curd, tomato ketchup and the vegetable vinaigrette along with paratha. And here we are using the roti, green chutney, curd, tomato ketchup and vegetable vinaigrette. Aren't they looking delicious? Definitely give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.